This is Cynthia Smith with Your House in Order. Today I'm going to show you how to make a CSV file for the bulk scheduler in Hootsuite using a Mac. I had a lot of difficulty doing this using Excel. Whenever I saved it as a CSV file, it somehow would lose all the correct formatting. So I found the easiest way to do it is with text edit. So first I'm just going to go down to my Finder, which apparently is not on screen here. There it is, it's my Finder. Go to my Applications, find Text Edit, and open it. I'm going to close my Finder so it's out of the way. Okay, so I have a blank document in Text Edit. So I go to my File menu, my Text Edit, Preferences. I want to make sure it's formatted correctly. So you go to New Document, and you just want to make sure that you've clicked Plain Text. Then you go to Open and Save, and what's important is down here, this plain text file encoding, that you want to use Unicode UTF-8, and it's in the menu over here. So there it is, Unicode UTF-8, and same with the saving files, Unicode UTF-8. Now I don't know why that's important, but it is. So then I close that. Now I can just start typing the message that I want to have. I think I'm going to put this up on my Facebook page, my fan page. So I just use the same format that Hootsuite gives you when you look at the sample. I'd like it to go out on the 21st of February 2012, space, at 6:15 in the morning, so that's 06:15, then a comma, then quotation marks, and I start typing my message. And my message will be a tip, an office tip. Always clear your desk at the end of the day so you'll start the next day with a clean slate. Just good advice here. And close it with another quotation mark. Now what's important is not to put a comma in the body of your message. Because a comma, if I put a comma here, the next thing that I would type in would be if I wanted to link it to a website, and I would put the URL of the website there. But I'm not going to do that, so I don't need a comma. But if you have a comma somewhere in the middle of your message here, what it'll do is it'll read everything after the comma as a URL, and you'll get an error message. So I'm going to go down here, and I want another message to go out 2 days later. So that'd be the 23rd of February 2012. Also at 6:15 in the morning, so it's just waiting for you when you open Facebook, comma. And this message is save space by taking office supplies out of their original packaging. You can put periods into the messages. That seems to work. So store like with like, dash, pens with pens. Oop, can't use a comma there. If I use a comma, it's going to read everything after that as a website. So pens with pens, and markers with markers. Another dash instead of a comma. In clear plastic labeled containers. Close it with a quote. So there I have, I'm going to schedule out 2 messages. Now I want to save this, so now I go up to the File menu, Save As, and let's just call it Hootsuite. Let's call it Hootsuite, what the hell. So whatever the name of your file is, right up where you're writing the name in, then you put the CSV extension right there. You don't have to worry about anything down here. This apparently is what it's supposed to be, the Unicode UTF. And then you save. Now it's going to ask you, do you really want to use CSV as the extension instead of TXT? And you say, yes, I want to use CSV. And that's it. Now I save that to my desktop. You can't see it, it's over here. Pulling it over. Okay, there is my new file. And this file, now when I do a browse, I can upload to Hootsuite, and these 2 messages will schedule properly. That's it. It's fairly simple. Thank you for your time again. This is Cynthia Smith with Your House in Order.